The other cause for comfort perhaps at this point, ma'am, is record high forex reserves. Do you take heart from their level, and will they help India tide over these uncertain times?
Absolutely, because we now have a forex cover of like 11 months of imports, which is a very good number, and I think that gives RBI another instrument to ensure that it can bring the volatility in the currency down. Whenever required, it can intervene through increased dollar supply in the currency to ensure that our rupee value remains contained. So having a good reserves definitely makes sure, and gives the confidence to the foreign investors as well, that India can actually support its imports for a long term. So having a forex is definitely a positive for India.
Okay, when you look at the other side of the argument, ma'am, which is the issue that we are facing with the US, do you expect broadly that sane sense will prevail maybe 6 months, 1 year down the line? This unsavory issue that has cropped up between two very large trading partners, two very large democracies, two very good friends over the last many decades. Do you think people have the practical ability to put it behind respective countries and move on?
See, the two countries have actually been very good trade partners and allies for years, decades together. And this will continue, and we are expecting that India and US will come up with a trade policy in a month or two. So this uncertainty will be for a very short time. Yes, it would have an impact on our exporters, on our MSMEs, but it will be probably very short-lived, because the government realizes how important US is for as our trade partner, and I think the policymakers and the government members are actually working towards getting to a faster deal, so that this uncertainty can be moved out of the way, and we ensure that our growth remains much more stronger going forward.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.